Hey guys, it's Danielle, and today I am going to do an unboxing with you guys. Yep, another unboxing. But before I jump into this unboxing, let me introduce myself to those of you who are new here. My name is Danielle, and I am the non-traditional mommy. And on this channel, I talk about an array of different topics. So please go check out some more of my videos and then hit the subscribe button if you would like to join my family. I would love to have you as part of the non-traditional family. For the rest of my family members, you guys already know you're the MVPs, and I love you. Thank you guys for joining me again today. All right, guys, so I have a special unboxing to do with you guys today, and it is a bag. It's a purse. A crossbody bag. But what makes this different is this bag is from a company called Guerin, I think that's how you say it. It's Guerin, and it was made by a young black guy. So this is a black owned company. His name is Chaseguerin, and his brand is CG. So I'm just gonna read a quick snippet from his website. But CG, choosing greatness, common good, Chaseguerin, and I think that's how you say it again. CG is what you make of it. It is a constant reminder to choose greatness. For me, CG is everything. It's my name, my approach, and it embodies my outlook on life. CG is my pursuit of continuing greatness by creating luxurious, life-changing consumer goods to continue the growth of today's society. CG represents my quest to chase greatness, change the globe, and celebrate the common genius in all of us. As the logo morphs into an ampersand, it embodies what CG means to you, infinite possibilities. I found this company once again through Kay. Hi Kay. She tagged me on Instagram with them because you guys know I asked if you come across any black owned luxury companies or that are starting out trying to sell luxury goods, then let me know so I could possibly check them out. So she sent me a link to his website, and I hopped on there and was like, okay, let me try this out. I've been looking for a crossbody bag. I wanted a crossbody bag, so this wasn't something that I didn't need or just was buying to buy. I really did want a crossbody bag. This bag was relatively inexpensive. It was $39.99. So I'm like, okay, for $39.99, he's saying it's supposed to be kind of luxurious, or it's luxury. I gotta try it. Like I can't support for $39.99, y'all. And they have the crossbody bag, they have a tote, and then they have a traveler. And I honestly thought about getting the traveler because it matches my luggage, but I said, let me just start with this little crossbody, see what I think, and if I absolutely love it, then, you know, I just got this in. I'm gonna open it up with you guys. My husband opened it because he did not know what it was. He was like, what is this from DHL? So let me just tell you guys. So it came from DHL. So it came like this. And when I got this, I was slightly disappointed. Not so much that it came from China, because I know tons and tons of things are made in China. But I guess I was hoping that with you saying a luxury brand or trying to be a luxury brand, that yes, your stuff may be manufactured in China, but maybe have it shipped to your home, or I don't know, somewhere, and then you box it and then ship it to the customer. That's just me. So that was kind of already like, oh, okay. So but yeah, I mean, this is how it came. Like I said, might as well open it up. So I'm just gonna take it out of here. Now, I don't want to nitpick too much because again, this was $39.99. So the expectations can't be too high for $40. However, I think what is killing me right now is the idea of saying luxury on it and the packaging. Because you guys, if you've watched any of my unboxings, you know packaging is just, presentation is near and dear to my heart. It just, I don't know, it's just near and dear. For some people they don't care, but for me it's near and dear to my heart. So I just kind of thought that when I pulled it out, it would at least be wrapped in tissue paper or something. I knew it wasn't in a box because I could feel that it was kind of squishy, but I did think that it was going to be wrapped in tissue paper. But you know, okay, that's okay. It is in this nice little bag, so it is in plastic. It wasn't just thrown in there. It could have been worse. It could have been worse. So let me just take it out. All right, y'all. So my first impressions of this bag. I mean, it feels okay. It feels okay. It's not real leather, which for $40, obviously it's not. But it looks very plastic to me. Super, super shiny. Can you guys see how shine? Is that shine coming up for you guys? But it's like super, super shiny, almost like oily. So not a big fan of that. The hardware is not like a super, you know, goldy hardware. You guys see that? It's not a super, super goldy hardware. But all in all, it's not a bad looking bag on the outside. It's not a bad looking bag. It has the logo all over the front and all over the back. And on the website, this bag looked brownish, but I think it's more black. It might be brown. It's brown. It's brown. It's like a coffee. It's like a coffee kind of brown. So yeah, it's brown. Alrighty, so I'm gonna open up the inside. Okay, so the inside has some stuffing. Well, whatever, silicone pack, and the strap. So the inside is like a brownish color on the inside, and then it has like a pocket here. So it has a pocket here and a pocket there, and then it has one little zipper on the back. So this zipper, you guys, has a little tiny zipper pull right there. So honestly, I see the zipper doesn't feel bad, but y'all, that little zipper pull, I see that breaking. I see that breaking. And this is just a black strap. Nice and black. It has hardware on the ends. Y'all, okay. So this strap is super, super thin. Super, super, super thin. You guys see that? It's super thin. So yeah, I don't know if I will use this particular strap. I might like use my guitar strap that I have, but the strap does have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 holes. so you can adjust it. And I will show you guys. So there's no logo on the hardware, any of the hardware, or anything like that. And so that's the bag, y'all. I'm gonna show you some shots with it on my body. This is at the longest point and shortest point. So this is at the shortest, which is, you know, not bad. It kind of rests right here, because this is a crossbody bag. So it is designed to be worn crossbody. So there you go. I can't just sit here and critique and nitpick this bag too much, because again, I paid $40 for the bag. Okay, so like there's fraying right there too. So like all around the sides. So honestly, don't think that I will carry this. I will probably give this to one of my daughters, because I think for a teenager that wants to kind of have like a logo or something and be able to say, oh, you know, this is CG, that this would do that. And if you're like, well, let me like test out how my child would do, you know, I don't know, then maybe something like this would work. So I will give this to one of my girls and let them carry it and have it. All in all, y'all, I'm glad that I bought the bag, because I'm all about supporting young entrepreneurs. And I believe that this guy, he's a kid, I'm pretty sure. I saw somewhere that he was young. He was a young kid. So definitely room for growth and potential. And I'm all about supporting young entrepreneurs and doing what I can, doing my part to encourage them and motivate them. So I mean, I think that his concept is great, and I think that it is a cute bag. Like, that's what made me order it, because on the website I felt like it was really cute, and I think that it is really cute in person. So it is definitely a cute bag, and I definitely think that his brand has so much potential. His logo is super cute, it's super unique, if you guys can see that. Definitely think that he has excellent potential. I don't think calling this luxury is the smartest way to market and advertise right now. I think it has the potential to be that. And again, y'all, I say that loosely because I knew going in paying $40 that it wasn't gonna come and just be like extremely luxurious. But I did think that it was gonna have just a little more something to it. I don't know. I don't know what I was expecting in my head, but yeah. So that is my first impression and unboxing of this Chase, and I think it's Guerin. I don't know. If y'all know how to say it, let me know. But I probably won't do a review over this because I honestly don't think I'm gonna carry it. But if you watch my daughter's channel, and if you're not subscribed to her channel, then go check it out, or send your kids to check it out. Her channel is Jaden Jabbers. So if you have teenagers or young kids or whatever, have them go subscribe to her channel. But what I will probably do is give her this bag, and then more than likely she'll do a review over it. So she does reviews over dupes and semi-luxury, intro into luxury type goods. So more than likely I will hand this out to her, and then she can carry it, and then to come back and maybe we'll do like a collab review over this bag or something. So yeah, so that's it, you guys. If you guys know of any other company that I should check out and maybe look into, let me know. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? hit the subscribe button and join my family. Would love to have you guys along for this journey. And for the rest of you guys, thank you, and I will see you next time. Bye.